me see everybody?
Be careful.
Final, I want the card in your pocket, please, while we do pictures. Okay, I tell you what, guys, we'll do a couple of serious photos where you're looking so beautiful, and then we can do one where you make the silliest face. How's that?
You guys.
So on 3, you're going to do a nice smile, and then when we're all done, we'll take a silly one. But now, hands on your laps, hands away from your faces, so they should be on your knees.
Face forward, honey. Face forward so we can see you.
Oh, you guys look so pretty and serious. Did you guys like Corey today?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was fun seeing Corey. You have to tell your moms and dads about Corey.
Water blaster.
He did have a water blaster. I got wet because he blasted my pants.
He blasted my hand in my car.
I should look and stand at the back when I'm talking because they're looking over here.
He blasted.
You went.
Oh, look at
She's like, I guess if you're Hey, Jen.
Get back here.
Jen, oh, there you are. Okay, I'm going to stand here by the TV. Miss
Jen, get
Jen.
your photo. Like it or not.